Hey everyone, welcome to Code Harmony. Today we are going to solve LeetCode from ID 1323 maximum 69 number. The question is very easy and beginner friendly. Here we'll be using math and greedy to solve this question, and also this question is asked in companies like Google, Amazon. Let's have a look on the problem statement. First of all, what is given to us? You are given a positive integer nums, okay, consisting of digits 6 and 9. So this is something given to us. A number, integer number having digit either 6 or 9. Num consists of digits 6 and 9. Constants are also given. Okay, this is given. So what we have to do is return the maximum number you can get by changing at most one digit. So from this given number, we can change one digit. Let's say that digit is this one or this one. So how we can change it? 6 will become 9 and 9 will become 6. Okay. So in this given integer number, if we are changing this digit, so this is already 9, so this will become 6. Now one digit is changed and we have applied the operations. Okay. In case you don't want to change this digit, you can change this digit as well. This is already 6. This can become 9. If this is being changed to 9. Or if we want to change this one, the first digit from the right, this will become 6. This is our operation. An integer number is given to us which consisting of 6 or 9. So this is the number and we have to get the maximum number out of it. And how we can get the maximum number? Just change one digit. Maximum number. See, if this is the number and I'm changing any digit of which is already 9 to 6. If I change any digit which is already 9, if I change it to 6, that is not going to give me any benefit, right? Because we are concerned about the maximum number. 9 is greater than 6, so there is no sense in making change from 9 to 6. What about 6 to 9? Yes, if I change any digit from 6 to 9, we might get some benefit. So it is clear that we will only be changing 6. If the 6 digit is present in the number, we will change it to 9. But what if the number is something like this, 999? If the number is 999, at most one digit you can change. At most one digit, less than equal to one number of digit. So change 0 digits. 0 digit. Do not change any digit. If you are not changing any digit, the number is still same. So it is the maximum one. If you are changing any digit, it will be something like this, 969, 996. That is not making any sense. So it is clear that 9 to 6 we are not going to use. But 6 to 9 will give us some benefit. Okay. Now it is clear that okay, this number, whatever number is given to us, we don't need to worry about the 9. We have to concern about the 6 character which is 6, digit which is 6. So 6 can be converted to 9. Now which 6 do I have to convert? If I'm changing, I can change this 6 or this 6. See, digits on the right side are less significant. Digits on the right side are less significant. Digits on the left side are more significant. Let's say the number is 9696. Let's say it is 66. So if I convert it to 69, then I'm changing this digit. If I'm changing this digit on the left side, it will become 96. And definitely 96 is greater than 69. So if I change the digit which is on the left side, which is coming first on the left side, then we'll get the most benefit. So what we can do here is we have to change the first 6 from the left side. As we are allowed to change only one digit, and that digit should also be 6, so we'll try to search for 6 from the left side. From the left side, whatever is the first 6, that we can convert to 9. So this process will give us the maximum number. This is we can do. The number is, let's say, 9669. Less significant digits, more significant digit. If we are changing digits on the left side to some increased value, we'll get the most benefit. And we have to change the first 6 from left side. First 6 from left side is this. And let's say if we are not finding any 6, we are not changing anything. So we will only change 6, but that should be the first 6 from the left side. This is something we have to do. Now how do we do it? It is an integer number. Integer number we can't convert, like we can't iterate over it. We can't say that okay, we are iterating from the left side to the right side over this number. No, we can't do it. We will need to create it to some kind of data structure where we can iterate over it. So to convert it to some data structure, what we can do is we can capture every single digit, right? 9669. If I take modulus with 10, this is going to give me the rightmost digit. Let's capture that. Now what I have to do is rightmost digit is used, so discard that digit. To discard that digit, I need to divide it with 10. If I divide it with 10, I will be getting 966. So this is the process we can use. That taking modulus with 10, capture the rightmost digit, and then divide it with 10, discard that digit. So do the same thing. Capture the rightmost digit and discard it. Capture the rightmost digit and discard it. Capture the rightmost digit and discard it until the number becomes 0. Okay. So from left to right, we need to iterate. But when we have captured it, this is the left, this is the right, this is the right, and this is the left. We have captured it in this order. Most significant digit is coming on the right side. Okay. Or you can say if I take another number like 9666, it will be something like this: 6669. This is something we have captured. And now we have to change the most significant 6, and that is this one from the right side, because this number I converted it into this number from right to left. Okay, so this is something like this, from right to left, left to right, and we have to change first 6 from the left, so we have to iterate from the right side. So iterate over this data structure from the right side and check for the first 6 and convert its value to 9. Change it to 9. Now the array will become 6699, and now convert it back again to the same number, and we have to convert it something like this. Iterate from the right side. 9, initially we have 0, then 0 into 10 plus 9, which is 9. Now 9 into 10 plus 9, that is 99. 99 into 10 plus 6, 996. 996 into 10 plus 6 is equal to 9966. 9966. Nothing. Just converting this number back to the same integer, because we have to return integer. Okay. So here, whatever the number is given to us, what we have to do is we have to convert it to some data structure where we can iterate over it. So it would be great if we are just converting it to a list of integer, and after getting converted to a list of integers, let's say it got converted to like this, 6 digit from the right side, 6 6 9 got converted, and then check for the first 6 on the right, from the right side. This is the first 6 converted to 9, 6 9 9, and then convert it back to the same number. Number is going to be from the right to left, 9 9 and 6. So 966 will become 99 and 6. And what is the time and space complexity for this approach? We are iterating over it, and whatever is the number of digits in num is going to be the time, and num is going till 10's power 4. Not so much time, like maybe order of 4 or 5. So time complexity is, let's say, order of m. M is the length of this number, and space complexity is also m, or you can say L, which is equal to the length. So whatever is the length of this number, integer number, is going to be our time and space complexity. Now let's have a look on the code. Let's cite the code together. First of all, we need to extract out this number to integer array, integer list of integer list, new array list. Okay, list of integer is formed. Now extract out every single digit out of this number until this number becomes 0. Check the rightmost digit. We can check that by using modulo operator, num divided by num modulo with 10, and this I can add to my list dot add num modulo 10, and this is list, this digit is used, discard this digit and move ahead. So now what we have to do is we have to iterate the array from the right to left and convert the first 6 to 9 for integer I equal to n minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. If list dot get I is equal to 6, if it is 6, list dot set I to 9. If it is 6, convert it to 9. If there is no 6, then there is no need to do anything. If every single digit is 9, we have the maximum number already with us. Otherwise, convert the first 6 to 9, and we can apply this operation only one time, so we have to use break statement. Now after this, we have to form our answer. Answer initially 0. In the end, I'm going to return this answer. So we have to iterate the same way, iterate in the same way from right to left and form our number. Answer is equal to answer multiply with 10 plus list dot get I. Let's see if it is working fine or not. Let's check for any of the compilation error. What is n here? What is n? N is equal to size of this list. N is equal to list dot size, list ka size. Checking again, no compilation error. I'm submitting the problem. I should submit successfully. It's an easy question where we have used math. This approach is also used to figure out the sum of every single digit in a number, reverse all the digits in a number. So it's the same way. Whenever we have to extract out digits from a number, from an integer number, we have to take modulo operator, remainder operator. Remainder with 10 is going to give me the rightmost digit. I hope you understood the approach, and in case you have any doubt, you can comment down below. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.